Dinosaur and His Mom. Once upon a time, in a lush green valley, there lived a young dinosaur named Dino. Dino was a curious and adventurous little dinosaur with bright, shiny eyes and a heart full of wonder. He lived with his mom, a kind and wise dinosaur named Mama Dino. Every morning, as the sun peeked over the mountains, Mama Dino would take Dino on a walk through the valley.
"Stay close, Dino,"
she would say,
"and I'll teach you about the amazing world we live in."
One sunny morning, as they walked through a field of tall ferns, Mama Dino began to tell Dino about their ancestors.
"Millions of years ago,"
she said,
"our great-great-grandparents roamed this very land. There were many kinds of dinosaurs, big and small, fast and slow."
Dino's eyes widened with excitement.
"Like the Tyrannosaurus Rex?"
he asked.
"Yes, exactly,"
Mama Dino replied.
"The T-Rex was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. It had sharp teeth and strong legs. But there were also gentle giants like the Brachiosaurus, which used its long neck to reach leaves high up in the trees."
As they continued their walk, Mama Dino pointed to some rocks.
"These rocks are very old,"
she said.
"They tell us stories about the Earth from a long time ago. Back then, the land looked different. There were no flowers or grasses, just ferns and tall trees."
Dino knelt down to examine the rocks.
"What happened to the dinosaurs, Mama?"
he asked. Mama Dino sighed.
"A very long time ago, a huge asteroid hit the Earth. It caused big changes in the climate, and many dinosaurs couldn't survive. But some creatures did survive and evolved into the animals we see today."
"Wow, that's amazing."
Dino explained.
"So, we can learn a lot from the past?"
"Yes, Dino.
Mama Dino said with a smile.
Studying the past helps us understand the world better. It teaches us about changes and how life adapts, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll discover something new about our ancestors."
One afternoon, Mama Dino decided to take Dino on a special adventure to a part of the valley they had never explored before.
"Today, we'll visit the Great Waterfall,"
she said. As they walked, they encountered different types of dinosaurs. They saw a family of triceratops grazing peacefully, using their strong beaks to munch on plants. They met a stegosaurus with its distinctive plates and spiked tail, basking in the sun. Dino was fascinated.
"There are so many different dinosaurs, Mama."
"Yes,"
she said.
"Each dinosaur is unique and plays a special role in our ecosystem. The Triceratops help keep the plant life in check, and the Stegosaurus uses its tail to protect itself from predators."
When they finally reached the Great Waterfall, Dino was in awe. The water cascaded down from a great height, creating a mist that sparkled in the sunlight.
"It's beautiful."
Dino exclaimed. Mama Dino nodded.
"This waterfall has been here for millions of years. It's seen the rise and fall of many creatures. It's a reminder of how ancient and wonderful our world is."
As they sat by the waterfall, Mama Dino continued to share stories.
"Long ago, this valley was home to many different kinds of dinosaurs. Some, like the pterosaurs, could fly high above the trees. Others, like the Ankylosaurus, had armored bodies to protect themselves."
That evening, as the stars twinkled in the night sky, Dino snuggled close to Mama Dino.
"Tell me more stories, Mama,"
he said. Mama Dino smiled and began to tell him about the stars.
"Do you see those stars, Dino? Our ancestors used to look up at them too. They believed the stars were magical and told stories about them. Some stars form shapes called constellations."
Dino gazed up at the sky, trying to find the shapes.
"Can you see the big dinosaur?"
Mama Dino asked, pointing to a group of stars that looked like a dinosaur.
"I see it, Mama,"
Dino said.
excitedly. "It's amazing."
The next day, Mama Dino took Dino to a special place where fossils could be found.
"These are the remains of our ancestors,"
Mama Dino explained.
"They are called fossils, and they help us learn about the past."
Dino carefully examined a large, fossilized footprint.
This must have been a very big dinosaur.
Dino said.
Yes, this footprint belonged to a sauropod, one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived.
Mama Dino explained.
By studying fossils, scientists learn about how dinosaurs lived, what they ate, and how they moved.
On their way home, Dino and Mama Dino met a young Hadrosaurus who was lost. "Can you help me find my family?" the Hadrosaurus asked.
Of course.
Dino said, and with Mama Dino's guidance, they helped the Hadrosaurus find its way back to its family. "Thank you for helping me," the Hadrosaurus said gratefully.
You're welcome. Mama always says that we should help others whenever we can.
Mama Dino smiled proudly at Dino.
Helping others is important, Dino. It's how we build strong and caring communities.
As the sun began to set, Mama Dino and Dino returned to their cozy home. Dino felt happy and content, knowing he had learned so much from his wise and loving mom.
Thank you for teaching me, Mama.
Dino said, snuggling up to her.
You're welcome, my dear Dino.
Mama Dino replied, wrapping her tail around him.
Remember, no matter how much you learn or how far you go, I'll always be here for you.
And so, Dino drifted off to sleep, dreaming of ancient lands and the adventures he would have with his mom by his side. Now, let's see how much you remember. I have 5 awesome questions for you, and I bet you'll do great. So, grab a comfy seat, put on your thinking caps, and let's get started. Question 1. What are some of the different types of dinosaurs that Mama Dino told Dino about? That's right. Just like a school where you learn about different subjects, Dino learned about different dinosaurs. Mama Dino told Dino about the Tyrannosaurus rex, which was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs, and the Brachiosaurus, which used its long neck to reach leaves high up in the trees. She also mentioned the Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Pterosaurs, and Ankylosaurus. Great job if you got that right. Question 2. What major event caused the extinction of many dinosaurs, according to Mama Dino? Correct. Just like how a beaver's dam can change the flow of a river, a huge asteroid hit the Earth and caused big changes in the climate, which led to the extinction of many dinosaurs. Well done. Question 3. What did Dino and Mama Dino see when they visited the Great Waterfall? Yes. When Dino and Mama Dino visited the Great Waterfall, they saw water cascading down from a great height, creating a mist that sparkled in the sunlight. It was as awe-inspiring as a beaver's dam, creating a serene pond. Fantastic answer. Question 4. How did Dino and Mama Dino help the young Hadrosaurus they met on their way home? You got it. Just like how families help each other out, Dino and Mama Dino helped the young Hadrosaurus find its way back to its family. They guided the lost Hadrosaurus and ensured it safely reunited with its loved ones. Great teamwork. Question 5. What did Mama Dino teach Dino about the stars and constellations? Exactly. Mama Dino taught Dino that their ancestors used to look up at the stars and believe they were magical, similar to how we might have stories and myths in our families. She explained that some stars form shapes called constellations and pointed out a constellation that looked like a dinosaur, which she called the Big Dinosaur. Wonderful job. Wow, you all did amazing. Thanks for joining us on this fun quiz about Dino and his mom, a journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kit's Story Collection, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting adventures. See you next time, Dino's friends. keep exploring, and keep learning. Bye for now.